I did play if it's then family come back on my yard. Yesterday. Daddy, we can get some snacks.
Alright. Yeah, these tools there. What happened, man? Which one I come to?
Thank you, Daddy. Shower listening. Dumpling and macaroni.
We're gonna make 1 year since we're gonna be able.
Yeah, it's a behind the scene look, you know. We're there at the home of Hittis. But today is a very special shoot because today is the 1 year anniversary where Hittis lose in baby mother. And today is the 1 year anniversary when we bury my old man. So yeah, today is one of them days where it's special and it's touching, but the work have to do, you know? I
Not
tell
to
the story.
mention father, I'm not put our mother, the poor, close the door. You know? Yeah.
So this is one of the ways where we kind of release, you know? So this is his work, but it's also therapy, you know, for us. So Jairus, my old man soul, Mr. Kenneth, big up yourself. And in the same breath, we big up the baby mother. 1 year. So yeah, we big up yourself. And I say the old lady drop out Tuesday gone. So like I said, a therapy for it too. Hold on then. Let me make King definitely wants to say something, so King, you're up on the shoot today, brother. How was the shoot today?
It was a joy to be here, you know, behind the scenes. You know, it's not often I get to, you know, just be totally involved behind the scenes, but I am here and it's a joy. But you know, we just want to say, you know, condolences to Hittis, baby mother's mother and the entire family. Even him daughter, he just featured in our first time Bartender. The struggle real people. And it's a real struggle and a real people are dealing with it. And we appreciate the strength that they them give it. Just go and keep it down. We appreciate love everyone who tune in to Bartender. And as the man said, today it's kind of an emotional day, but it's also a memorable day. And we are sharing today. Peace.